Yeah, here we're at the Sonesta Maho, $190 a night. Laden with roaches. Floors are all cracked up. Unbelievable. You see here we got a roach running around right behind the trash can. I wouldn't come down here and spend $190 a night on this. Wouldn't even think about it. Whoop, missed him. Dead roach now. Yeah, the rest of the bathrooms, 20 years behind. Needs to get wiped out by a hurricane. Maybe they'll fix it after that. Got a nice king-size bed, tile floor. You overlook the pool here. I mean, it's nice, but not for $190 a night in St. Martin. Maybe $99, all inclusive.